Reinvent the look of your 1999 to 2005 Volkswagen Jetta and improve night driving with new headlights from Anzo USA. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the hand tools you'll need. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Push down on the center tab of the grille with your flathead screwdriver. Locate the outer grille tabs and pull up and forward on the tabs to release the grille. Using your flathead screwdriver, pry on these outer arms where they attach to the hood latch until they release from around the piston of the latch. Now, swing the grille around the hood latch and remove it from the vehicle. Locate and remove the 5 T27 torque screws from the middle of the front fascia. Locate the lower outside air dams where they attach to the front fascia. Push on the outer clips and pull forward on the dams to remove them. Remove the 2 lower T27 torque screws that hold the front fascia in the air dam openings. Locate and remove the 4 T20 screws on the inner fender well. Remove the parking light socket and bulb from the front fascia. Then remove the fascia from the vehicle and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Remove the 4 T20 torque screws from the top and bottom side of the headlight. Pull the factory headlight forward slightly, disconnect the harness from the back side of the housing, and remove the factory headlight from the vehicle. Plug your new Anzo headlight into the factory harness of your Volkswagen Jetta and bolt it into place with the 4 T20 torque screws you previously removed. Repeat the previous steps on the opposite side of the vehicle and reinstall the factory parts by following the instructions in reverse. Check the function of your new Anzo headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your vehicle on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual, or watch our video titled Aiming Your Anzo Headlights. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.